आई जस्ट सेंड कर दूँ, ठीक है, सबको विश कर दो। Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all of you. We shall begin the workshop in another few minutes when everyone is here. I can see kids also.
We have Maisha with us.
Okay. Hi Maisha, I'm Apurva. Hi. Oh, we have another kid.
Hello.
I am Rushi.
Hi Rushi, how are you?
Hi.
I am fine.
Fine.
I am fine.
Great, great. Is anyone sitting with you?
My father.
Okay, okay, great. We will just wait till 12:35 and then we will begin with the workshop.
Hello, Riyansh.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi Riyan, how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Maisha, is anyone going to sit with you?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, great. Do you also want to attend the workshop? It's for parents. Do you also want to see the activities?
Maisha, do you also want to do the activities?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, okay. I hope everyone is ready with some papers and pencils because we would be needing them. In case not, then please just bring some A4 sheets and pencils.
Yes.
Great, great, Riyansh. Thank you. Riyansh is going to help us. I think just 2 more minutes. है ना? 12:35. Okay. I would request everyone to please rename themselves as their name so that we are able to call by your correct name. Everyone, sir and ma'am, please. It's a request.
We have Advita's mom with us. Ma'am, please change your name.
Okay. Advita is also in grade 1.
Yes.
Okay. I think we should begin in another few seconds, right? And then everyone else can join. We should not wait for a long time. Oh, somebody is sitting with Riyansh. Hi.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Fine.
Fine. Are you excited to see the workshop?
Yes.
Okay, great. Do you have the pen and paper ready?
Yes.
Great. Okay. Okay. Advita is also here. Hi, Advita.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi, Advita. Please unmute.
Hello, ma'am. How are you? I'm
Hi.
fine. I'm fine. Just a request for all the parents because we would be interacting more with the parents. because the workshop is meant for them. So if it's okay that your kids want to sit with you, then it's fine. But in case they would get bored, I would just request all the parents to, just tell your kids beforehand. Advita, do you want to sit here with your mom? Sorry, ma'am, we couldn't hear you. Can you hear her? Ma'am, you're not audible actually.
No, ma'am, it's not audible.
Try increasing the volume of your system.
Priyansh, is your mom with you?
Okay.
Priyansh,
Yes.
is your mom with you right now?
Okay, I think we can begin with the seminar. I would just request all the parents to please switch on their videos for a minute. Let's have a round of introduction, and then it would be okay if you keep your cameras off during the workshop. Okay. Hi, good afternoon all. I welcome all of you to the workshop series by ArcMath. I'll begin with my introduction. I'm Apurva. I work with ArcMath and I basically work with primary grades. I'm a maths educator here. Okay, and she's Simran.
I am Simran and I'm maths educator in Artbook, and I basically deal with primary section only.
Yeah, so for parents of ArcMath and ArcBook, they already know us, and for new parents, we both are math educators, and the whole idea behind this workshop was just to help parents with the activities that we can practice at home, and those are very effective to keep the kids engaged and engaged in meaningful learning. Okay, so I would request all of you to please introduce yourselves. Let's begin with Advita's mom. Ma'am, can we begin with you?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
I'm Neha Sharma, Advita Sharma's mom.
Okay. Rushi, is anyone sitting with you? Can we have the introduction? Sir, you are on mute.
You're on mute, sir.
Sorry, yes. My name is Prayag, and this is Sia Solanki, and here is Rushi Solanki with me.
Okay, okay, great. And which grade is both the children in?
Rushi is on third, and Sia is on first.
Okay, great, great. Okay.
Thank
Can we have the introduction of Maisha's mom?
Hi, this is Sonia Agarwal. My daughter's name is Maisha Agarwal. She's in SKG.
Okay, okay, great. Riyansh, anyone sitting with you? Okay, they are calling their parents. Ma'am, can we have your introduction?
Yeah, hi, my name is Neha Malik and I am mother of Saran Malik, who's in grade 1 from ArcMath. That's it.
Okay. Yes, Riyansh, is Mama here?
Myself, Shikha Jaju, and I'm Riyansh mother and Reet mother also.
Okay, great.
Yeah, great.
So let's begin with the workshop. I just have a very small question for everyone before we begin with the activities. What brings you here to this workshop? Like the theme for this particular session is spatial understanding. What do you understand by it, and any problems that you were facing, and what brings you here actually? Anyone would like to answer this question? Anyone? Yes, ma'am.
So basically, I have no idea about spatial understanding, but what I understood from
Poster.
was that when I saw the map, so it drew me instantly because Saran loves drawing maps and following maps, and he keeps finding treasures at home. So that's what drew me actually to this workshop. So rest,
Okay.
I am not really aware.
Okay, great, great. We would be having activities based on maps. Anyone else? Okay, so I think we can begin with the workshop and then.
I think Neha ma'am wants to say something.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually, she is very interested in making paper things like cutting papers and making different shapes. So that is why I came up here so that she could get some interest, whatever the workshop is.
Okay, so taking a hint from that, I think we can begin with the paper folding activity only. Yeah, okay. So I would request everyone to please take a A4 sheet. And does everyone remember making boats when we were children, when we were kids? Can everyone try? And Prayag sir, can you please switch on your camera so that we can see? Thank you so much. Okay. Can everyone try making boats? Kids also, can you try making boats? Do you know how to make boats with paper?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, that is
Aisha's
very
mom.
interesting.
Maisha, do you also know how to make a boat?
No.
No.
Okay.
Ma'am, do you know any other way to make the boat using paper?
Yes. I
Yeah.
will try.
Yes, Advita, do you want to say something? Yes.
How to make a paper?
You know how to make paper boats. Okay, just make it.
Just make it then, quickly.
Okay.
Okay, Neha ma'am is almost done. Ma'am, I think you are halfway through there.
Okay.
With my imagination, I've never made any boat.
It's
Because
okay.
I'm making aeroplanes for Saran, so that's how I know that okay, if I fold it more, then it will become an aeroplane. So from there only I took an idea. It could behave like a boat,
Yeah, yeah. So Saran loves aeroplanes. I thought he
Right.
loved cars more.
He has wasted almost the entire rim this month in flying aeroplanes.
Oh my god.
Entire rim of airport. So I was only left with 4-5, and I have to order a new rim. He loves flying aeroplanes. Yeah.
Okay, then we can also
Rian's
teach
mom
him how
has
to.
made a boat here.
Yes. Okay, very good.
That's
Well
great.
done.
Nice.
Well done. Who else is done?
And Rushi and Sia,
Advita's
are you
mom
making
is
the
also
boat?
done.
Okay, very good, Sia. Very good.
Well done.
Nice. Advita is making the boat right now.
Yes. Simran ma'am, can you please also show how will you make the boat?
Yeah, of course. So I took one A4 size sheet. You also can do it with me. First of all, you have to fold this corner in this way so that it becomes a triangle. You have to fold it like this first. Then you can see that we have a triangle here and a rectangle as well. You have to cut this rectangle and convert this into a square. It will be converted into a square automatically. Okay, so we have this square sheet now. First, I think we should start with the very small steps, simple steps of making another thing. Then we can move to board, because when we make simple things, then the children become familiar कि हमें क्या बनाना है. So first you can see that this is done. We have a diagonal here. This is a square and a diagonal here. We folded it like this. Now you have to open it and do the same thing with the other two sides. You have to fold these sides also. See, when I open it, you can see that this square has 4 equal triangles now, right? We have 4 equal triangles. Now, very simple thing, you have to turn it, put your fingers like this in two sides of a triangle, just in middle of these two triangles.
Yeah, let everyone do that and then we
Yes.
can move ahead. Can everyone show their paper sheet like this and hold it like Simran ma'am has done it?
Advita, just reverse it. Just reverse that paper like this. बिल्कुल opposite, उसके उल्टा, बिल्कुल. हाँ जी.
Yes.
Okay.
Very good, Advita.
Yes, everyone has done this. Now you have to put your finger like this in the two triangles and fold it in such a way that it will be turning into a triangle. See, I have just pushed it like this. Push it like this. Yes, everyone. When you do this and press it, see, it is directly converting into a triangle. Can you see? I had this. I am pushing it like this and it is turning into a triangle. Can you see this? Please, and everyone try it. Riyansh, are you trying it?
Let us know when everyone is done. Please show a thumbs up if you are able to get it.
Two triangles will be formed when you do this.
Oh, Riyansh is showing thumbs down.
Okay, and what about Rushi, Advita, Sia, everyone? Okay, Advita. Okay, Advita has done it.
Rushi has done it. Just
okay, sir.
Great.
Okay. Sonia ma'am has done it, I guess.
Yeah.
Yes, Neha ma'am is also done. Riyansh, do you know how to make it? आपको समझ में आया कैसे किया मैंने ये? जैसे हमारे पास ये 4 triangles थे ना, मैंने इनको ऐसे करके ऐसे बिल्कुल अंदर कर दिया और फिर जब मैं इनको प्रेस करूंगी ना तो देखो ट्रायंगल बन रहे हैं यहाँ से भी और यहाँ से भी 2 triangles बन गए हमारे पास. Right? We have 2 triangles here. One in the front and one in the back. You can see we have 2 triangles. Now just one step. You have to see this. You have to take this one side and fold it like this. Fold it like this. You have to fold this triangle like this. Just one side.
Just one triangle and fold it in the way Simran ma'am is showing it.
See, you have to fold it like this. Done? Now take the another side and fold that also. You have to fold this side also.
The other side,
Advita?
I think Advita needs help.
Yes, yes. See, we had this now. हमारे पास ये था. You just have to take out one side, fold it
in the opposite side.
And this side you have to take and fold it this way. Let me know if you are able to do it or not. Okay, Riyansh has done it. What about Rushi, Sia?
Very good, done.
Advita? You don't know how to do it? Yes?
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you explain that again? I think I fell behind.
This type of now.
See.
Ship.
Ship. Okay. See. First I told you कि अभी हम ship पर नहीं आए हैं, अभी हम ship नहीं बना रहे हैं, अभी हम उससे simple चीज बना रहे हैं, ठीक है? Ship हम अभी बनाएंगे, but उससे पहले थोड़ी सी simple चीज. देखो, we have 2 triangles. One triangle is here and the other is at the back. You can use any side. Just take out one side and fold it like this. Now, इसको थोड़ा नीचे tilt करके fold कीजिए. Yes, yes.
Great. And ma'am,
Yes,
take the other side and fold it in the opposite
Are you doing
direction.
this? पहले इसको ऐसे फोल्ड किया नीचे करके और फिर ये दूसरे वाले को भी ऐसे ही फोल्ड कर दिया. मैम, कैन यू प्लीज हेल्प अर्पिता?
So we have to basically overlap the other side
Yes,
onto
you
the one that was folded.
Yeah.
You have to overlap the next side. Suppose we have folded this, then you have to overlap it.
Great.
Yes, and when you look at it, you can see that we have made a fish here. Just turn it around and you see we have made a fish. Right? Is this a fish?
Is it a fish?
Yes.
Can we
You
also
use your pencil, marker or anything like I am making it size. Just one second. Now see, my fish is ready. How is it?
Fish.
Nice. Fish. Is it nice?
Advita says this.
Okay. And Maisha? Do you understand how to make a fish?
Yes.
Yes. Rushi, Sia. Okay, they have also made it. Very good. Nice. Now, do you want to make a house first or should we move to boat directly? Anyone wants to know how we make a house with the help of a paper?
No.
No. Okay, Riyash doesn't want to make a house. Okay. Then we can move to
Houseboat.
Houseboat.
Okay, houseboat. First, we'll make a boat only. For that, you have to take a A4 sheet, A4 size sheet, fold it like this so that it becomes a rectangle. All of you have to do it with me. Riyansh, Maisha, Adrita, Rushi, Sia. Okay.
Fold it half.
You have to fold the sheet into half and it will be converted in. Can anyone tell me what is this shape? Maisha, Advita, Rushi, Riyansh, anyone, what is this shape?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Very good. This is a rectangle. Now, the next step is, see, you have to take these two sides and fold them in such a way that it converts into two triangles. Just take these two sides and make two triangles with the help of these sides like this. And when it is done, let me know. Please show it to me when you made two triangles like this.
You have to take both the sides equally.
Okay. Riyansh and his sister has, okay, good. Maisha has done it. Neha ma'am, Advita, Rishi and Sia are still doing it. Okay, just wait for them. Okay, so basically, Prayag sir, actually they have square sheet. Do you have any A4 size sheet? Any simple paper, you can take any paper.
I think he'll just convert that into.
They won't be able to fold that, right? They
Yeah.
have square.
Rushi, we will have to take a rectangular paper and then we can make the paper boat. Otherwise, we won't be able to fold the rectangle. Can we take another sheet, please? Okay, great. I think everyone else is done.
Yes, everyone has done.
Yeah, they are done. Let's just wait for 1 minute. They are going to do it and then we can move ahead.
Okay, Sonia ma'am has made an aeroplane, I guess.
Okay, somebody else is also there. Hello, Aparna ma'am.
Hi, sorry, I think I'm very late.
It's okay, it's okay. We were just doing the paper folding activities. Ma'am, could you please turn on your camera?
Yeah, 1 second.
Thank you. Hello, ma'am. So we were practicing some paper folding activities and right now Simran ma'am is trying to explain how to make a boat and how we use different shapes. So could you please take a sheet of paper?
Yeah.
Okay, very good, Rushi and Sia. This is right now. Yes, Advita, Riyansh, Maisha, everyone has made it. Very good.
Let's move ahead.
So, if you look till now, we had a rectangular paper, right? We had a rectangular paper. This was a rectangular paper. When we folded it, it converted into a small rectangle. It converted into a small rectangle. Then, when we folded these two sides here like this, we made two triangles now. If you see, we have two triangles. Look at your sheets and then see, we have two triangles here. Maisha, Riyansh, everyone. We have two triangles and one small rectangle is also there. Right? Now, the next step is you just look. Okay. Hi, what's your name?
Avneet.
Avneet. Okay. Avneet, are you also making it?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, actually, I think Avneet has opened the sheet. We had to close this sheet in this
And
form of
then make
rectangle
the-
and then fold it like this.
How did we approach this problem?
Now you can see that we have two open spaces here, right? We have two open spaces, one here and one here. Everyone just check. Do we have two open rectangles?
Yes.
Yes. So you have to fold them one by one. You have to take this rectangle and fold it on the upper side like this. And from back side also the same thing. You have to fold. Now next step is from back side we have same rectangle. Fold that rectangle also. Okay. Now see what you have to do now. If you look at your sheet like this is an open area, right? You just open it like this. आपको पूरा open करना है जब तक ये एक square ना बन जाए. When you open it, it will become a square. See, yes, you are right. Rushi and Sia is doing right. Riyansh, you have to open it like this. Yes. Okay. Maisha, can you show it to me? Okay.
She's done.
What is this shape? What is this shape?
Square.
Square. Yes, this is a square. Very good. Now, next step is, see, we have two openings here also. Now you can see we have two openings here. You have to fold them. Suppose take this and fold it. Take this and fold it on the upper side. Can anyone tell me what is this shape, the upper shape? You are on mute, Maisha. Triangle. Triangle. So everyone is saying this is a triangle, right? Now we are left with this portion now. We are left with this portion जो नीचे है. अब इसको ना opposite side से भी ऐसे ही fold करो. Opposite side से इस वाले को भी ऐसे ही fold करो कि ये एक पूरा triangle बन जाए. Now we have one triangle.
Yes.
हम सबके पास एक एक triangle है अब क्या करोगे? अब ये वाली side check करो, ये वाली. You have to open it. You have to open this side, and while opening, you just pop it inside like this. We had a triangle like this, and when we do like this, then we reach here. Yes, Riyansh has done it. Rushi and Sia, Advita. Ma'am, you have to fold it. Sonia ma'am.
Again.
या ऐसे बनाना है कि आपके पास ये शेप आ जाए. देखिए पहले हमारे पास ऐसे था हमारे पास पहले ऐसे था. Yes, we have this one right now. I think you also have this shape, right? You have to put it like this and open these two corners.
And fold the opposite two corners.
Yes. When you start opening it and do like this, it will be converted into this shape.
Ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Riyansh and Rushi, everyone has made the boat only. So, first of all, tell me what is this? What is this? What, Maisha? Rhombus. Okay. And can we say, is it looking like a kite also? Yes, this is looking like a kite. Yes. Now, one last step. You have to see. On the upper side, you see that we have these two corners, right? We have these two corners. Just, I think Sonia ma'am, you had to open that corner. जो इस नीचे वाला है ना? Yes, ma'am. Now we have these two corners and open them. When you open it, it will directly be converted into a boat. Can you see? Is this making a boat?
Yes.
Yes. So everyone made a boat and we made a fish also, right? Yes. So this is our fish. Everyone show it on the screen. Okay, very good. We made a boat now. So what we did here, I just want to talk to parents here कि देखिए जब हम ये शेप्स बना रहे थे, जब हम ये बोट बना रहे थे या फिर हम फिश बना रहे थे, तब क्या हो रहा था, हम बच्चों को इंस्ट्रक्शंस दे रहे थे कि हमें एक ट्रायंगल बनाना है. We have to make a square. Now we have to make a rectangle. So when we do these kind of things, it helps them to enhance their creativity. They create and manipulate different shapes. Different shapes को manipulate करते हैं. हमारे पास पहले rectangle था, हमने उसको square बना दिया, फिर हमने उसको triangle में convert कर दिया, फिर हमारे पास एक rectangle बचा. So ऐसे क्या होता है, students relate कर पाते हैं, बच्चे relate कर पाते हैं shape से और different चीजें create कर सकते हैं. साथ साथ उनकी काफी ज्यादा concentration होता है, इस चीज में high level of concentration होता है. Hands on activity होती है, ये बच्चे hands के through ये activities करते हैं. And let me tell you, when they use their finger, our fingertips have some nerves which are known as peripheral nerves. So जो peripheral nerves होती हैं वो हमारे brain में signals भेजते हैं, जिनकी वजह से brain development बहुत अच्छी होती है और हमारे जो बच्चे होते हैं वो सीख पाते हैं, understand कर पाते हैं कि shapes होती क्या है. The next important thing is they start using their imagination. अब जैसे when I was making the boat, you can see that there was a kite also. You could make a cap also while doing these steps only. So you can ask your kid कि आप मुझे बताओ आपको क्या नजर आ रहा है, क्या बनेगा, कैसे बन सकता है, क्या आप कुछ changes कर सकते हो. So these kind of things helps them to understand what are shapes and how they can use these shapes.
Now, I think everyone is done with the boat and fish, so we can keep our papers aside. And I have a very quick question before we move to the next activity. Is everyone ready? Okay, great. I like how kids are here and they are just keeping the energy high. Okay, so we have a shape here, an unfolded colorful shape. It has some squares and triangles. Okay, my question is for everyone. When we fold this shape, what do you think will be the correct option? Second, third, fourth or fifth? Which one will be the correct option? Can anyone guess?
होल्ड करो.
Second, who says second?
Maisha.
Maisha. Maisha says
Ma'am,
second. Okay. Anyone else?
Two. Two.
Okay. Okay.
Priyansh
Advita says
and his sister is saying 2 and Advita is saying 3.
okay.
Five. Sorry, five.
Second.
5. Okay.
Second.
Second. So we have 3 guesses here. Second, third, and fifth. Nobody says okay. Fourth is the correct option. So fourth is anyway ruled out. Anyone would like to take another guess? Neha ma'am, would you like to guess? Oh, she's also here.
Yeah. Sorry, I couldn't understand the question. I was not in the room.
Ma'am,
Can you
the question is that we have an unfolded colorful paper here, the first figure. When we
Okay.
fold it, what do you think will be the correct folded option? Second, third, fourth, or fifth?
Number 4.
Okay, so we have number 4 also as the option. Okay, so I think I am just going to keep it open-ended till the end. Or should I just tell the answer to everyone? Do you want to know the answer?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So second and third are the correct answers. When we fold the paper, the purple triangle comes on the top of the green square. Okay. And the yellow square comes on the right of the green square. So we have second option as the correct one. But when we see this figure from the other end, then we will have red triangle on the top and then blue square here and then yellow square next to the blue square. Did you get it? Did you get it? Okay. Why is fourth and fifth not correct? Because in the fourth one, the yellow triangle is on the top of the red square. But do we have any yellow triangle? No, we don't have any yellow triangle. Same way, in the fifth one, the purple triangle is on the top of the yellow square. Do we have the purple triangle on the top of yellow square? Was it like this?
No.
No. So that's why second and third are correct. Okay. So these are the fun ways in which we can practice paper folding. We can give many sheets to our kids and they can make as many animals, as many shapes as they want to. Okay. So let's have a challenge. Let's make 5 shapes. Let's make our own animal kingdom using paper folding. Would we? Can I get a thumbs up from all the kids? Okay, great.
Very good.
Okay, so before I move to the next activity, I'm going to stop sharing my screen. Okay, I am going to ask kids one question. Do you know what a map is?
Yes.
Who knows it? Maisha knows it. Yes.
India map.
India map. Yes, India is a country. That is one map. Yes, Advita?
India's map.
India's map. Okay, great. That is a good answer. Yes. Anyone else would like to answer in a different way? Any different answers? Yes, Maisha?
Google map.
Google map.
Google map.
Very good.
Sia is saying something. Yes, Sia?
Brazil map.
Brazil map. Okay. Google map. Yes, Advita, I heard you. Okay. Okay. So we have a lot of maps. Okay. Yes. My question is for all the parents. Okay. Now coming back to why we are talking about spatial intelligence here. Spatial intelligence is not only about the fact that how we or children visualize this world, how we see different shapes around us, how their imagination and creativity is very different from us. Spatial understanding is also about understanding the world from a reading point of view also. It also helps in comprehending the things in a different way. There are 3 different parts of observing any object. We see an object, we capture its image in our head, and then we try to retain it. And most importantly, how are we able to recall it? Okay. Do we see the square as it is and then are we able to recall it with same dimensions and same colors? Maybe we as adults are able to, but for kids sometimes it gets difficult and then we think why are they not able to do it? So in order to help you with that, I have another fun activity which is related to map. Okay, so this activity is for parents. So I would request all the parents to take a sheet of paper and draw a quick map of the room that you are sitting in right now. Okay, draw a quick map of the room. You can just write the name of the objects, bed or almirah or side table, anything. Just draw a quick map. I hope everyone has understood what we have to do.
And I think all the parents are doing it right now. Okay.
Let me know once it's done. Oh my, oh, that's wonderful. Did you just do it?
No, she made it in a drawing class yesterday.
Okay, okay. Ma'am, could you please add more things to it if there are any? Okay, I think Priyag sir is also done. Priyag sir, are you done? I am unable to see the entire picture actually.
Just 2 minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
It is really good.
Okay, great sir, great. That looks great.
Thank you.
I am unable to read anything, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, but I
Ma'am,
think
can
you
you
have
please
made it.
closer? Yes, now it's
Yeah, it's great. Okay, Riyansh is also done. Everyone is done. Now I have a fun activity for all of you. Don't label the entry and exit of the room. Just ask your kid about the position of one object in your room. And then ask them, are they able to tell you where is it? Without saying, okay, this is idhar, idhar, wo idhar hai, wo yahan hai. Are they able to use the right kind of words?
આમાં રીડ કરતા આવડે મતલબ આ લખવાનું નથી મારે. I don't have to write this. Can you guess what is this? What?
This is the gallery.
Okay.
And which corner is the gallery? It's okay, Neha ma'am, I understand. Take care of yourself and Nitin.
Not direction. It is the right hand side of the entrance.
Right hand side. Another gallery.
Another gallery.
This is another gallery.
Is everyone done?
Outside the bathroom.
You're doing it, yes.
Miss, even Maisha has a 115 class. I would like.
Oh, okay. So I think we would share the other resources with you. You can practice that and then tell us how it works. Okay.
We really have a good time. Sorry, we have to leave it.
No issues, ma'am. Take care. Bye, Maisha.
Thank you.
I think Advita's mom is also done. Priyag sir is done. Priyansh, are you done?
Okay.
Okay. Now I have another very quick activity. Very good. Very good, Ruchi. Okay. Now I have another quick activity. Now, kids, you have to help your parents. Okay. They are going to redesign your room and you have to help them. Where do you want to place the bed? Where do you want to place? Where do you want them to place your almirah? Can you please help them?
Rushi and
If
Sia,
you had to design your own room, what all things would it have? Can you design it? Can you draw it on the paper? Okay, let's do it quickly. Let's take 2 minutes. Let's design our room.
Sorry, ma'am. Actually, we got lost. Can you repeat the question? We got lost.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No issue. Sir, I want the kids to help you with designing their room. Okay, kids are getting a new room and they are going to help you where to put their beds, where to put their almirah, and where to put their bookshelf. So, can you please help them?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Advita, please design your room. Where should I place your bed? Where is Mama going to place your bed, your toys?
Atari room.
Oh, yes.
Where Where you want to put almirah? Where you want to put bookshelf? Where is your bed? Where is your door? Everything you design. Don't copy. Do it.
Yeah, take a fresh sheet of paper. Don't copy. You are getting a new room.
Copy जरा ताली imagine करके ताली room में ठीक है. हाँ.
We
Next,
can
where
also
is
have
your-
new things in our room.
Yes. हाँ तो bed पता है. Where is
Priyansh,
your
are you also doing it?
हाँ. door ना बाजू में तो bed से तो
Yeah, Riyansh is doing it with his sister.
हाँ.
Okay.
Imagine कर आप ताली actually single room से. What is? हाँ. Where is your toy storage?
Advita, are you able to draw your new room?
bookshelf table
Bookshelf, toy room, toy box.
We can also have a secret hiding place in our room.
Please.
Let me know when anyone is done.
पता है BS.
Rushi, you can also take the help of your sister.
मोटी वाली कपड़ लगाओ ये बताओ टीचर ने.
एक मिनट मैं बुक शेल्फ लगा है.
I think they are done. That's a good one. I really like it.
This is my room. This
Very
is my place. If I go here, I go and hide over here.
Okay.
This is my bed.
Okay.
This is my bookshelf.
Great.
This is my table.
Okay.
This is my almirah.
Okay.
And this is the door.
Very good. And can you also design a room for your sister, Rushi?
Sia already did herself.
Oh, she did. Oh, I wasn't looking.
This
Yes.
is almirah.
Okay.
This is the bookshelf.
Great.
This is the toy room. This is the bath. This is the bed.
Bed. Okay, great. And you have a lot of empty space in your room, so we can play a lot of things over there, right?
Yes.
I like how kids have designed their room. Priyansh, are you done? Are you and your sister done? Hiding place भी है Rushi के पास तो. Rushi can hide in there. Okay, they are done. I think we will see Advita's also one by one. Okay. Advita, you are on mute. Riyansh, I will just check yours. Okay, just give me 1 minute.
Advita, please unmute yourself first. Yes.
Ma'am, here is the bed.
Okay.
Here is the study table. And here is the almirah. Here is the toy cupboard. And here is a board to paste things. And here is bookshelf. And done.
Okay, great. Great. Very good. Very good. Well done. Okay, Riyansh, can I see yours?
Welcome.
Okay, Riyansh is just redesigning. Okay, 1 minute. I'm going to tell you something very interesting after this, okay? I'm just waiting. You're going to like it. Let's just wait for Yansh's room also. Okay, they are done. Can you please tell your room, Yansh? You are on mute.
This is a bed,
Okay.
dressing table,
Okay.
almirah,
Okay.
bookshelf,
Okay.
window,
Okay.
study table,
Okay.
door,
Okay.
entrance.
Very good. Well done. Well done. Can all of us keep our notebooks down? Okay. Now, what if I tell you another way to do this interesting activity? We can take pictures of all the objects that we want to keep in our room. Picture of a bed, a bookshelf, a hiding place, a toy almirah. I give you a square board and you have to paste all the pictures on the board to make your own room. And then every few days we can design a new room. We can have lots of pictures and then we can also design our room, right? And what we can do with our parents is we can hide our favorite toy and then ask them to find it. Can we do that? Yes, Advita, you are on mute.
Can I play with our parents and grandmothers?
Oh, she play with her parents and grandparents.
Okay, so we can definitely do that. Now I'm going to show you something that we did when the lockdown wasn't happening and we used to have a lot of games outside. Okay, I'm going to show you a video. Is everyone ready? Can I get a thumbs up? Okay. Let me just share my screen. Just give me a second. Okay. This video will just take 1 minute. Okay, let's watch this one carefully. Okay, before we go ahead, I have another video, okay? And then I'm going to ask you something. We have another video where we played it with all the parents and they were also blindfolded. They couldn't see anything. Okay, I'm going to stop sharing it here. Did you understand? Did anyone understand what was happening there? Advita wants to say, yes, Advita?
I know one more game like this.
You know one more game like this? Do you want to share with us?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell us.
आपको पहले पट्टी बांध लेना है और दूसरे किसी एक आदमी को किसी और रूम में भेज देना और वो हम लोग को आवाज देगा, हम लोग को उसके आवाज को सुन के अच्छे से उसी दिशा में जाना है जहाँ से वो आवाज आ रहा है और उस आदमी को आउट करना है.
Well done. Well done. That's wonderful. Can all of us clap for Advita? Can we do that?
Yes, we can do it.
Very good. Very good. Okay, Riyansh wanted to say something. Yes, Riyansh.
अब पहले अपने को कोई 1 2 3 4 10 तक की काउंट करना, कोई काउंटिंग फिर कोई लोग 3 जन छुप जाएंगे, फिर कोई भी जन जितने जन होना है उतने जन बस छुप जाएंगे, फिर आवाज नहीं करना है। वो ढूंढेगा अपने को इधर उधर, फिर अगर मिल गया तो वो फर्स्ट बोल देगा।
Okay, okay.
फिर वो करेगा, उसकी टर्न।
Okay, very good. This is also very interesting. We can clap for Riyansh also. Okay, can I also share one game that I want to play? Can I also share with everyone?
And if Rushi and Sia also wants to share, they can also share.
Yeah, even if you have any idea. Okay, what we can do is we can ask Mama Papa to place something on our eyes. Okay, cover our eyes with a blindfold. ठीक है, हम ऐसे अपनी आंखें बंद कर लेंगे. ठीक है, and they will hide in the other room and they will give you direction. Okay, they will not say it loudly, but they will give you directions. Okay, take 2 steps forward. ठीक है, do you know what forward is? Take 2 steps forward. Can we do that? I think. Okay.
Ma'am, we can't hear you.
Okay, okay. Can we take 2 steps forward? Can we do that? And can we take 2 steps backward? Okay, so Mama and Papa are going to tell you, take 2 steps forward, take 2 steps left, take 2 steps right, and then we are going to reach them just with our eyes closed. Okay, and they are going to give us a gift. Okay, can we do that? And on this thing, can everyone show me their left hand? Their left hand quickly. Yes, Advita is right. Young sister is also right. Rushi is right. Rushi, can you help your sister? Which one is the left hand? Yes, that is the left one. Everyone correct. Which one is the right hand then? Right hand. Right hand. Yes. Let's play a quick game. Okay. I am going to, when I say left, you have to raise your left hand. When I say right, you have to raise your right hand. Okay. Don't do the opposite. You will get out. Okay. Let's see who can do it. And I'm going to be very fast. Everyone ready? Be ready. You have to be very quick. Okay. Left. Left, left. Advita, left one. Yes. Right one. Right hand. Right hand. Left hand. Right hand. Right hand. I did not change it to left this time. Okay. Right hand. Right hand.
Advita, you are showing your left hand.
Right hand.
Now it's right.
Okay. Okay. So all of you can put your hands down. Let's give rest to our hands. Okay. Now this is my favorite part of the game. Okay. What we can do is, this is for all the parents. Are all the parents sitting there? I can just see Advita's mom. Rushi, is anyone sitting with you? Mama or Papa? No? Can you please call them? Oh, ma'am is also here. Yeah. Oh, she's also here. Okay, so what we can do with our kids is, we can plan a treasure hunt for them. Okay, take any 9, 10 of their favorite things that they like to play with, and we can make our clues very specific, using very specific words, like which room is their favorite, how many steps will they have to take. Okay, will they have to take the left direction or the right direction, how many steps, north, east, using the concept of directions to reach all the clues of treasure hunt. And then they can find their favorite most thing at the last treasure. Okay, so we can design our treasure hunt like this for them on every weekend whenever we get time, and then they can design a treasure hunt for all of you. Okay, can we try treasure hunt at our homes tomorrow? Tomorrow is a Sunday. Can we have a Sunday fun day? Can we have that treasure hunt? And I would like to see everyone's treasure hunts. Can we do that?
Yes.
Let's do that. Okay. Now, why did I focus on maps or treasure hunts? The main idea was to talk about spatial understanding And how the right kind of words is very important. Asking kids the right kind of questions at the right time in the right sequence is very important. Introducing them with left and right first, then north, south, west, and east. And then we have different combinations: northeast, southwest. How do we do that? How are we able to decide, okay, this direction is southeast? Every time, do we have to face the sun? But we cannot have the sun at night. Or do we have to use the compass? Because sometimes even we as adults are not able to decide how to follow the Google Maps. So what we can do is, next time we go on a very small outing, we can hand over the Google Maps to our kids and then ask them to give us directions. Okay, which direction you have to take? Ask them to read the instructions. Just listen to the voice, what they are trying to say. These are very little steps which can help us. And meanwhile, what we are doing is we are getting our work done also. So it does not require any extra time. So I'm just going to share a list of words with everyone. And please don't worry on the resources part. I will just share it with everyone after the webinar. Whosoever does not have the access, they can just mail it to us and then we'll share the resources. Okay. Let me just, so we can have a treasure hunt like this. This was designed by one of our kids. Then we have words like this. Okay, introducing the shapes. How do we use the spatial vocabulary? How do you know for the first time, okay, this is a square, this is a circle? How do we differentiate between the properties? Okay, how do we differentiate between what is 2D and what is 3D? So for people who like to watch movies, I'll just suggest, try watching Finding Dory with your child next time. And then tell them how the 2D thing looks very different from 3D thing. I saw a big smile on Advita's face. Advita, have you seen that movie?
Yes, ma'am. I saw the Finding Dory.
Yeah, do you like it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. How do we introduce the word large, small, short, tiny? Even while you're working in kitchen, you can use different objects to introduce these words. These are just some words from the formal vocabulary which helps the kids in becoming very precise with their communication. Rushi wants to say something. Yes, yes. Please unmute yourself.
Like Popoy.
Popoy, yes, that's a very good thing. All the cartoons really help us. Okay, so comics, reading comics. What I want to say here is that try to relate your child's favorite hobby with whatever you want to tell them. And this is for all these sessions. Try to understand what they like doing the most, and then we can help you imbibe all the concepts in it. Okay. So without doing too much of theoretical part, I think, Simran ma'am, we can move to the next session.
Yes.
Okay. Next we have tangrams. Okay,
So this is 10 gram. 10 gram means this is ancient art of puzzles. Basically, we have puzzles. It contains 7 different shapes. If you see in the first image, we have 4 triangles. We have 5 triangles, 1 square and 1 parallelogram. So what you have to do, you have to make objects using only these 5 shapes. I have shared a link in the chat box.
I think everyone should be able to open this link. Let us know
Apurva
when
ma'am, can you please share it?
Yeah, I'll just share it again. I'm sharing the link with everyone in the chat box. Please open that link in the another window. Okay. Just give me a second. Okay. I've shared the link. Just click on this link. Okay, you should be able to open it in the other window. Otherwise, let us know when everyone is done. Advita, have you opened the link? Yes, she is done. Riyansh, Rushi, are you done? Everyone is on mute.
Yes, yes. Rushi,
Okay.
is done.
Okay, Rushi is done. Riyansh, are you done? I think they're trying to figure it. Let's just wait for 1 minute and then we can move ahead. Okay. This is the last activity for this session and then we can discuss on other activities later.
So, Riyansh, is it done? Have you opened it?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. You can see that this is a dinosaur, kind of a dinosaur, purple color, right? Can you all see this?
Yes.
Yes, this is a mathematical dinosaur, okay? And you are given some shapes here. You have to cover this dinosaur with the help of these shapes. Just try to cover this with the help of these shapes. Can you all do it? Just try it for once. Try to drag and cover it.
एक करवा दे किसी को।
Let us know if anyone is done. Are you able to make it?
Yes.
Okay. Advita,
एक ऊपर मुकवान
are you able to make it?
ina ऊपर मुकवान से समो सटर से के समो અહીંયા
Done, ma'am.
Okay, who is done?
Priyansh.
Okay, Ryansh is done. Very good. Nine. Rushi and his sister, are you able to do it?
yes yes
Okay, great. Advita is almost done. Advita?
Ma'am,
Done?
done
done.
Okay, so did you all see that while we were doing this tangram activity, we were recognizing the shapes कि कौन सी shapes कहाँ लगेगी, triangle कहाँ पे हमें cover करना है, triangle कैसे cover होगा, square कहाँ लगाना है. So it helps your kids to classify shapes. It develops their understanding about how geometric shapes can be decomposed, how you decompose those shapes and how you join them and make an object. It requires a precise vocabulary for manipulating shapes. Like you use the word कि इसको rotate करो, इसको flip करके रखो, इसको ऐसे रखो. तो ये जो words होते हैं, flip करना, rotate करना, these all words, they learn about these words also and become familiar with the properties of shapes. That shape has, suppose triangle has 3 sides, square has 4 sides. And these are available on, we can provide it to you also, क्योंकि ये जो शेप्स होती हैं वैसे मिल जाती हैं. आप इन शेप्स को भी देख सकते हैं, हम आपको प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं. आप हमें बस एक मेल कर देना और ये आपको टैनग्राम मिल जाएगा. और इसके बहुत सारे स्टेंसिल्स होते हैं, जैसे डायनासोर है वैसे बहुत सारे अलग अलग स्टेंसिल्स भी होते हैं. Yes, ma'am. Apurva ma'am, do you want to add something?
Yeah. So we can definitely help you with the resources here. So you don't need to worry on that. And you can ask your kids to try different shapes. Maybe we can come up with new stencils also. Okay. And I just recalled that with this, I have seen that sometimes kids have a problem in writing the alphabets and numbers as it is. Like some kids are writing 7 as the mirror image of it, 6 and 9 in place of each other. Okay. So for that particular activity, I just wanted to share a few techniques which we can practice even during bedtime. Okay. What you can do with your child is ask them to make different numbers and different alphabets on their back. Just make anything on their back and ask them to guess it. And then ask them to draw it on your back and then you make a guess for them. Okay. Another thing what we can do is ask them to draw the numbers in the air. Okay. Let's do number 6. Can everyone draw number 6 in the air for me? Number 6. Rushil is right. Oh, Advita is right.
Sia is making 8.
Sia, you are making 8. You have to make 6. Yes, that's correct. Priyanshu and his sister are here or they've gone?
Gone.
They've gone. Okay. So this air activity, we have done it in our classes so many times and kids love doing it. They, most of the times, they just answer it using the air thing only. They just draw something in there and then they'll ask me to guess it. Okay. You can also use the sand activity, take sand in a bowl and then ask them to draw the alphabet or letter. It usually comes with practice, so nothing to worry about. Okay. I think somebody has come now. So I'll just see. Hello, Priya ma'am. Can you please switch on your camera? Priya ma'am, you are on mute as well. Oh, she has left. Okay, anyways, so this brings to the end of session 1. I would request everyone to share all their questions, any queries, any doubts that you had during the session or anything related to this topic. Kids, do you want to say anything? Yes?
Ma'am, I didn't make the fish because I could not make the fish like.
Okay, okay. So Mama is going to help you with that. Okay, we will help Mama and then she can help you. Okay?
Ma'am, tomorrow this class and we discuss some about more types of games.
Yes, we can do that. Hai na? We can definitely do that. And we are going to meet next week also. Then we will discuss more games. Okay? Would you come next week?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Anyone has any questions? Anything that you want to share related to the workshop? Any feedback or any topic that you would like to take us in the upcoming workshops? The next session will be next week at around the same time on Saturday. Rushi, do you want to share anything with us? Any games that you would like us to share with you?
If they also want to ask anything.
Yes, sir. And Riyansh's mom?
Bolo.
I play with dinosaurs and I've made dinosaurs with paper, many of them, and kept them in. I've made many dinosaurs out of paper and kept them in one bag.
Oh, so in next time we could have all the dinosaurs and then we can have a story building session. Could we do that?
Yes.
Yes, we could do that. And Advita could also bring.
Ma'am.
Yes.
I know the names of dinosaurs.
You know the names of dinosaurs. Oh, we can name then Rushi's dinosaur. And can we help him? Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
let's do that. Let's do that. So, any questions, parents? Yes, sir.
No, it was an interesting.
Okay.
Very
Okay,
fruitful.
sir. Sir, any other topic that you would like us to take in the upcoming sessions?
Only the brainstorming type.
Okay, the brainstorming types. We would definitely do that. Okay. So, I think if anyone does not have any questions, then we can end the session here. And I would like to see all of you next week as well. Thank you so much for sparing your time and your efforts mean a lot. Thank you so
You're
much.
most welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much for coming and joining. I will see all of you next week. And bye-bye. Take care. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Advita.
करवा देगी on कर से automatic.
Please. Please.
कर